Question number 9. Answer the following questions. How can we get the required amount of energy by connecting solar panels? So we have studied that by connecting the solar panels in series and parallel combination, we can increase the potential difference and the current flowing through it. So the answer has been framed here. It has 5 points and you will write down the answer in points. Question number 9b. What are the advantages and limitations of solar energy? The advantages of solar energy include that it is an inexhaustible source of energy and it does not cause any kind of pollution. But at the same time, it has got certain limitations also, like it can be used only during daytime. The current that is generated is direct current, which needs to be converted to alternating current, for which we require a inverter. And the storage equipments increase the cost of the system that is to be used. So these are some of the limitations as well as advantages of solar energy. Question number 10. Explain with diagram step by step energy conversion in thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, solar thermal power plant and hydroelectric power plant. So the page numbers and the diagram number have been given to you here for each of these 4, and in the next 4-5 slides the explanation for each of them has been given. So you will refer to the explanation in the next 4 to 5 slides, and diagrams you will draw from these page numbers. Question number 11. Give scientific reasons. The answers to all the 4 have been provided to you here, and so you will note down the answers from here. Question number 12. Draw a schematic diagram of solar thermal electric energy generation. So the schematic diagrams have been given here. Both diagrams you will draw. Use appropriate stationery while you draw the diagram. Question number 13. Give your opinion about whether hydroelectric plants are environment friendly or not. So here the answer has been provided to you here. Write down the answer from the slide. Draw neat and labeled diagrams. Energy transformation in solar thermal electric energy generation. So you have the block diagram here for the different stages of energy generation in a solar thermal power plant. Concentrators for collecting sunlight, absorber for absorbing the concentrated sunlight. Then you have the steam turbine, electric generator, and electrical energy is produced. Question number 14b. One solar panel produces a potential difference of 18 volts and current of 3 amperes. Describe how you can obtain a potential difference of 72 volts and current of 9 amperes with a solar array using solar panels. You can use sign of a battery for a solar panel. So in order to obtain potential difference of 72 volts, we have to connect 4 solar panels in series combination. So here we have 4 solar panels which are connected in series combination. Potential difference across each of these is 18 volts. We know that when cells or solar panels here will be connected in series combination, the total potential difference will be the sum of the potential difference across each solar panel. The current that will be flowing through each of these solar panels will remain the same. Here it is 3 amperes. So the total potential difference will become 18 into 4, that is 72 volts. In order to obtain current of 9 amperes, we have to connect 4 solar string producing 72 volts and 3 amperes with 2 more solar strings producing 72 volts and 3 amperes current in parallel combination to form a solar array giving a potential difference of 72 volts and 9 amperes. So now we want current of 9 amperes. So we will have to connect 4 solar string. This is a solar string comprising of 4 solar panels and it is producing 72 volts and 3 amperes current. Now this has to be connected with 2 more solar strings. Here we have 2 more solar strings producing 72 volts and 3 amperes current. But they must be in parallel combination. So now this has resulted in the formation of a solar array, and now the potential difference will be 72 volts and current will be 9 amperes, because when the panels will be connected in parallel combination, the current gets added up. The total current in the circuit will be added up. So in one string it is 3 amperes. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. That gives us 9 amperes. So this is the solution to the numerical that they have asked here. Write short note on electrical energy generation and environment. The answer has been framed for you over here. The answer is same as question number 8A. Since both the questions are similar, the answer is same for both 8A and question number 15. So with this we come to the end of the chapter number 5, and tomorrow we shall begin with the last lesson, disaster management. Thank you.